I like dark meat. Oh, I haven't taken yet. Sorry.
I don't know you.
Hey, this is Andrew Lim, inviting you to go out on the limb. Bon dia from the beautiful island of Sol here in Cape Verde. This island is known for its seafood, so we're gonna go around and eat around the island and see what the Cape Verdean cuisine or Cabo Verdean cuisine we can actually discover here on the island. We definitely have to get the lobsters. The tuna is really great here, as well as some sweet potato fries. Yeah, so come discover the cuisine with me and we'll just talk through it as we eat. Folks, before we start, kindly hit the subscribe button and the notified button for new content that I upload weekly. Obrigado. I have to say the sunset in Santa Maria, it's so beautiful and breathtaking. And of course, with sunset comes dinner time. So one of our meals, interestingly, is at the only Vietnamese or Asian restaurant on the island of Sao. Yes, this is a Vietnamese restaurant founded by an immigrant that came from Vietnam via another African country, ended up in Cape Verde with another Vietnamese female friend that ran this restaurant. Of course, we had some spring rolls, some Vietnamese meatball, and some rice vermicelli. Tofu was really good, fried to perfection. And the pho, which is what the restaurant is named after, is actually really decent. I mean, considering that we are about, 8,500 miles away from Vietnam, this is actually really impressive. Now, if you want some real Cape Verdean cuisine, which is grilled seafood, you come to Restaurant Sao Dolce, and here you get a lot of fresh catches of the day. In fact, you see fishermen hauling tuna or other fishes that were just, caught onto the truck, and of course some of them made it to the restaurant here. As you can see, there are 3 fishes here for us to pick. We wanted a big fish. They come with flies because the island has a lot of flies. We had this really fresh grilled fish that could feed the entire village, and some fresh tuna as well. Now, we also took a cooking class while on the island because we wanted to learn how to cook cachupa. Yes, that's the national dish of Cape Verde. It's a stew consisting of beans, root vegetables like, cassava, sweet potatoes, a lot of vegetables, as well as bacon. Yes, it's a stew that's really hearty. It's the Cape Verdeans actually love eating this, and they all eat this growing up. So of course I had to learn how to cook and by stirring the pot because I love to stir the pot. And some bacons were added in, and it was it was a really fun group activity. And our instructor, after cooking for several hours, said it's finally ready. So we tried, and it was simply delicious. Yes, it's called cachupa. And if you want some entertainment like live music with your dinner, you should definitely come to Ocean Cafe here in Santa Maria, right off the main street. And food-wise, you get a lot of different seafood here that's served in prepared in different ways. Like you have grilled shrimps or fried shrimp, fried calamari, you have tuna tartare. You even have an amazing grilled salmon with mushroom sauce. And aside from live music, there is also dance performance by the staff. It's hilarious. If you want some European cuisine, aka Italian food, you should come to Barrowa. This is a place run by an Italian couple. who's living on the island, and the husband's the chef and the wife's the restaurant manager. And you can actually get really great authentic dishes here like gnocchi, authentic Italian dishes like gnocchi, as well as seafood pasta. Also different seafood, as an entree prepared in different ways, grilled with sauce. It's just really delicious here. I mean, definitely as Italian as you can get, which is amazing given that we are here in Cape Verde. And of course, they have vegetables here like, sauteed spinach, because it's really hard to get vegetables on this island. They also have amazing desserts here like panna cotta, as well as a berry tart that was really delicious, a creme brulee, which is not Italian, but you know what, hey, anything goes on this island, and a deconstructed tiramisu, which is really interesting. So you just have to kind of assemble it as you eat it. It doesn't look like tiramisu, but when you put everything in your mouth, it tastes like tiramisu. Ingenious. And we decided to go to George's for some delicious grandmother style cooking. And here's Chef George cooks like, using his grandma's recipe in a really casual restaurant setting. The bread rolls are really fresh and tasty, and it comes with a garlic sauce that he made. So it's kind of like make your own garlic bread without the bread being toasted. The tuna tartare is really fresh as well and delicious. The garlic was pan fried to perfection with a really tasty sauce. And of course, we are here in Cape Verde, so we have to have grilled seafood. So grilled fish, grilled shrimp, grilled tuna, all grilled to perfection. And we also had a seafood spaghetti that was done really well. Overall, you can eat really well here in Santa Maria on the island of Sal. Really healthy without gaining weight. None of us gained weight after this trip. It was amazing.